day. I don't tell una Tori go be today. We go knock Tori, we go Chakara Ndamba Tori, we go talk palaba Cotton Sport for Garoua. We talk Senjitab the lie and Sinafox say they talk big lie. We go talk to palaba Mark Breeze. We like say it fear for say me Cameroon. He go for that tournament for Marrakech. We go see what it go happen, and then we go talk to Fabrice Ondwa. Fabrice Ondwa, where a club don't propose he say they prolong a contract. He say change name of fee, and then we go talk Young Sport Academy too for that side for Bamenda. Emma Mimbawe na president. He talk how he meet up Samuel Eto'o fees, and he say Eto'o fees no get no intention for say may no give money for club them. Say no intention. Say no explain for he say if una no show justification so una dey pay salary, that money I no fit give una. But if una justify, that money go because that money no be my money. So now the news that we go there. Today we go talk again too about some Remewe Kongosa come say it say beings for that side for Zepo na for Douala and say that beings it put na water for people where they don't quarter. And then so way it must have been Bonnie. We be give another news. We hear now say that man he don't quarter, he don't die, he don't sleep straight like ruler. And then Minister for Social Affairs, Pauline Irene Ngene, he don't go for house for that papa where they keep picking Matisse for Yaounde, where that artist papa Dagobert Nwafo, he kill the picking with a knife. He don't go see the papa, he talk with the other 5 picking them. And then the woman for Nigeria, where we talk to that senator, I remember now, Natasha Apoki, where we talk say goodwill Pabio when a president for Senate. If he want say he want tolerate he be denied, and then the man begin bringing na plenty problem them for that side. So now so the thing they countryman, countrywoman. Then we go for that side for Ghana for talk wetin something pass for Ghana. Oh, so man he talk how he don't kill about 15 of the woman them. He the married woman kill am, married and kill am, married and kill am, married and kill am for say he want get plenty money. So they call her for big grammar say ritualist. So countryman, countrywoman, how will happen so? If I say more start now with that story, we come up for Ghana because that story it don't pass my power. For Ghana, as I tell una, the man he kill how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 of the woman the way married them. Just for sika money. He want get muru, he want get ukap, he want get ego. So, he marry woman them. He kill him, married and kill him. He name na Emma, pa Emma. He talk say, he don't do that thing them, don't do very bad thing them. So, he repent now. He want repent with 14 people don't go. 14. And then, he do and so we enter some sect where they talk say they go make him maybe rich, he will get plenty money. He say it happen now for Kumasi for Ghana. You know say na place where the man be stay where the thing happen. So as he enter that court, they talk all that he accept. So it be obliged for say he give for meet with all the obligation the way they did for the court. Now so it did. So he get plenty money now. Now the answer I say government for Ghana, they not go put their hand for the matter say, may they see how we they fit debunk, they fit destroy that sect. Because if the man he talk now say be ancien member for that sect way, he don't keep plenty people who say he make money. Una fit imagine what go happen. So he kill him, he take woman, marry him, he knock him, he die. And then when the woman don't die, he begin make love with the woman. Una fit imagine him. He make love with the woman. And then when don't finish, he take handkerchief. He wipe all that way don't take her for the wipe her. And then he go give her for that sect. Now so he make her for the game money. Now thing way he pass for Ghana. For Kumasi. Now Emma Yiseseb, he talk the matter, countryman, countrywoman. Now the two I want to say more start with that one. More understand how the thing the trongo. Tori day. Another Tori, since we then for outside, more remain for outside small. For that side for Nigeria, This senator, the woman, fine, Nyanga woman, na senator for Nigeria. What happened with he? He came out sometime last year and then middle for the year too, for beginning of the year, sorry, he begin talk say Natasha Apoti, he talk say, Oga kwata for Senate for Nigeria. Goodwill Apabio, he be one toliketi. Say Goodwill Apabio, they ask it tolication. He deny, go with if I not put your back for down, you will get problem for this Senate. He try, the woman always deny. He want climb table, the woman deny. He want do so, he try move pressure. He say, you must move Kale calm. The woman say, no, if you move Kale, you no go move out. So, the woman start talk say, he get all kind problem for Senate, say now because of president for Senate. President for Senate, don't talk say a big lie, and the other senator, they talk say a big lie. They stand now, follow the woman, problem. Now so, they suspend Natasha Apoti. As they suspend Natasha Apoti for the accusation for sexual harassment, now so he don't carry the matter, he go for court, for federal court for Abuja. They judge the matter. Uga kwata they for court, they judge the matter for see what it will happen, what I proved it for which way it be talk up. So now from there we go know what it happen until it be happen for say me go happen for way it be happen, say me that thing go begin happen. So if you like woman, talk for you, chatty. If the woman say no, chat name of it, chat my bene, you leave the woman. If he talk for you today, next day you talk, if you wait there, and sometimes he change your mind, than for the put the unnecessary pressure. The woman then too, when some man ever chat you, when some man ever do you know nothing, you want bring the man problem, you start talk say don't chat to say they bring you trouble, now another thing will not find. When I know say that movement where they say you too, now some movement where he tell we say plenty fake accusation too, they be dead. Okay, countryman. I will say when I don't understand how we happen for that side, for Naija. Tori day. As I talk for una so, that young girl, where a boyfriend, the bunny, thing they happen Bonam, with Bonam. The girl don't die at last. He named na Alima Lydienne Mabel. He don't try for survive. They don't go for hospital with Lydienne. They do everything possible. Lydienne nowhere. He no correct. Lydienne die. Lydienne be there now only 23 years. 23 years. And on the 15, when the bad thing so it happened. As they carry go for hospital now for Hospital General for that side for Douala 5. No, Hospital General for that side Bonamusa de Otanso other side. Now for there they carry go. They treat them. They treat them so they will no day. That boy will throw petrol for his skin. For that night on the foot and the feet. For this month way they inside so. And then the boy will throw that petrol for that Lydienne skin Alphonse Mvenge. They say he come on a quartier prison for ça. So now what you happen we carry get us say so it want similar gegi money we don't spend on this and that. And what happen, it take petrol through for the girl skin, burn the girl. They get burn saute, they can't go Hospital General, they don't try for they try. Now when news come, we now say Alima Lydienne Mabel Don Kwara. This man, we kill the girl. For Alphonse Mvenge, he must know say justice to a day, and then justice to more call, he must go before for see make the matter, it be for the way the matter go be for way the man go pay for all the crime we don't do. For key girl, key man picking, key woman, key picking, na batting. So anything we want to vindicate for some person, if Namburu, third court, go for commissariat, court book. You know must take law into your hand. If get chop your money, now you give the money. If you know want to make chop your money, no give the money. If some guy never tell you say, I dey so okay, I don't ring, I go follow you, I do with you. Why you give your money? If he tell you say no one time, you no want follow you, they only give money. For scarcity that the money go convince him maybe with you. Now who can think that no massa? Where? Now can team where they go so for the kind of way all the thing they go for the kind of way so the thing don't pass my power. Tori day. Now, me will talk Tori for this small pikin way they quarrel for that side for Yaoundé. Reaction for Grégoire Owona, he don't vex plenty people then. Because Grégoire Owona try to defend Lidol. People then talk say, he no talk about the pikin wey they kill him, he no concern he can't talk now about Lidol, how Lidol na artist, this and that. Yes, Dagobert Wafo Dagobert na papa for Lidol. Now that man, where he take knife, he go enter a neighbor house, chook him pikin kill him, he want chook the other one, they wrong go hide for inside room, the lock door, he try for broke door, the door no broke. Countryman, countrywoman, what it happen? We hear say, they be the query for bar. They get problem for bar, wuru. As the thing happen, the man go vekes. If vekes strong one, he tell that man for bar say, I go do it way, you know, imagine. He go in house, go take knife, enter a neighbor house, start the quarrel picking them. As I tell una so, news so they get up and say, since when they catch he never talk no nothing. You know, they talk no nothing. It's only remember what it happened. What I always for defend himself that to say sometimes he don't craze, sometimes I craze he before all that thing they happen. So we don't know. We they follow up for see how the thing they. It is presently now for court of first instance for that side for Yaoundé. They don't put it for prison for that court for day. Then psychiatry they go check it if the thing work a fine because you know if you lie, they lie so. The thing I say he must pay for his act. Now Minister Pauline Irene Gene, he don't take his food with his collaborator them. Chang. He enter for house for Mr. Wanji. Mr. Wanji na papa for Matisse. Mawe he get problem for bar with him Dagobert Wafo. Dagobert Wafo tell I go show you. He go house. So the man they bar with friend them go begin chook pikin for house. Now so the thing happen. So minister don't go there. Minister don't talk say go send expert them. They can't talk with pikin them. So the big sister for Matisse. He didn't know if he enter inside room he want she don't. He fear. Say sometimes that papa Dagobert go come out for day with another knife. So fear they the house. So the government don't talk say with the Minister for Social Affairs say they go accompany the family for try to see how to do for tell them for you understand for talk with because it be very that's until they make a man shake man panic they call it say traumatized na big grammar na for lewawe that one come out countrywoman. So na so it governor don't talk say they go try do their own for see me the thing work for the way if you work fine. Countryman, countrywoman. Tori day. Baby Tori. The one. Na Tori way. E come out for Douala here. Na Congo Sao. Una no say some Congo Sao be talk say. Woman the way they dry fish. They go take. Oh, beshi them. For mortuary them for Douala way. They don't pack. They go buy them. Go use them, burn them. Dry fish. Begin work at the seller for people. And all man know. The chemical substance where they use them for put inside their people their skin before they touch that bedsheet, they go burn and say they dry fish with them. So that palava, it make us stay plenty people. They fear for chop fish, dry fish, especially dry fish. When I'm not them dry them. If you dry the fish, you fear because plenty talk don't come out. Say no na firewood, no na plenty skin, no na mbanga, no na chaps. Na that body bedsheet. I will don't really talk that one. Another one the commerce I tell una nas na seweti. Say so reme ide for here for corner zepol. Na Congo Sao we never authentify am. He talk say they so it is say weti, it is say beans for money time. Say for make a me the beans pass, it go carry water. For people they don't quarrel, mix inside small. Hey! Chapara katapata. It is lesson one way. That's how we de boya o say. So reme, if you go, a piece inside how do they call that thing? For flour. We mix am, make pop off, it give people. So now it begin be discover am, it begin selling. The one now we reme. It go carry na water for people they don't quarrel. It mix up for beans, begin sell out people 5 o'clock quick. It is sell and so put the line up for buy and chop and go. Now catching this. So other one for Yaoundé na human being skin. Una remember If na human being meet way you know, the cash picking and kill and go, hey, yeah, where? Police, as you hear the one when I alert, police must investigate them rapidly for see whether not true or not lie. Because people their health, it be very important. And I work down for judicial police. Pararam, 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 pam 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 param. Pararam, 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 pam 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 param. Oh ho, countryman, countrywoman, we talk Ndamba now. Ndamba palaba. Fabrice Ondua. Na he be the man. Fabrice Ondua, winner for African Nations Cup 2017. For which side? For that side for Gabon. Where we come out to best player, best goalkeeper for the tournament. Former goalkeeper with the trainer for Funde Sport for Sabo Eto'o, where they go trainer to for FC Barcelona. Now that he don't deny contract. Where he club RFS Riga, he propose am for you. If you no say this season where they come, so they go propose the salary way high. So the club now, instead of proposing salary way high, propose the contract with salary way it go down. Now that Fabrice Ondua don't talk say, he not think say he go sign that kind of contract. Say no way. So as he did now, so he don't deny the contract. The club now, it count on the young goalkeeper, they call it say Sergej Vilkovs. Now young goalkeeper, we be then Fabrice Ondua and number 2, we be over admire Fabrice Ondua. So how Fabrice Ondua don't deny for signing this contract with RFS Riga. The next destination of our side. Now the question we would ask ourselves that we want know, we go know. So Fabrice, we hope say you go tell we play we, you go enter next time. Another story, countryman, countrywoman. Na Cotton Sport for Garoua. Cotton Sport for Garoua talk say Sinafok and Jitab na big liar them. Say they lie so they lie is cement. This week, so Cotton Sport is you see in name. We Sinafok for a press conference, he do he say in a club way, you know, they pay salary for player them. He call name for Cotton Sport. So the BB people of Cotton Sport, they don't talk, say they want a big lie. Number 1, number 2, no football and they complain for Palava salary. And then number 4, now say they pay salary regularly, even match bonuses, they pay them. Say nothing, say na club will be very organized, say they respect everything, so they pay every single salary. So no matter no day. Say the one way Sinafok and Jitab they talk na lie. So Cotton Sport talk say they be very open for any man, any media organ where they want me to show them proof or they give them necessary information, they go giam. No they not for begin make malabangulu ngwete. They no go ton talk. The one no be their interest. Now so Cotton Sport don't talk. So the way say main Jitab and Sinafok they explain for we. What na who give them that information? It pass na high, it come for a place. Because you know so far for you accuse people. Then when the people don't come back for saying you talk, you talk, you start begin chop your talk. We left Cotton Sport. News Day. Story Day. Young Sport Academy for Bamenda, where they call us say Yosa. Napa Young Credit Club. If president, where they call it say Emmanuel Mimba. Una remember say we tell una say Samuel and eto'o fees. If we meet up Emmanuel Mimba for that side for Parigo. And say Parigo, Balangala Bata Bonde, Galangala Bodemo, He meet up the Naktori. The Naktori. He talk now say, he explain for people, say they discuss so with President for Fekafood. President for Fekafood tell you say, that money where government get say me they give them. You know the whole have to do anything. Say the condition for send me the money come out, no be say me club then give bank account. No. Now say me they justify say they run their club then correctly, they pay salary for player then correctly. And then when they justify that one, they give their bank account, the money they sign them, they give them. So, president for young sport, he don't talk say, he get all that paper them for justify, say he don't send them for WhatsApp for president for Fika Food, he don't send them again, send them for different officially too, say, he hopes say now, as he don't send at all, they go give them the amburu. Now so, we wait now for see if really young sport don't justify, say they don't give mburu, we go see. Countryman, countrywoman, Newsday. We enter this other story. The other story na Mark Brice. Mark Brice, he talk like a say he no want go play that tournament for Marrakech. Now the way he talk am, he make a like say he no want really go play the tournament. Now the question I say now Mark Brice decide if Leon Lion they go play or they no go play or na federation. If he don't turn for way, don't turn so way. Now maybe they say, okay, we know they go play for France, we go play now for London, we know they go play for London, we go play now for America. We they observe them for see how the thing will unfold. But for true, the matter Mark Brice, they go for some different dimension. We just observe them, we see how they go before. Any idea, we go see. Plenty people they talk say they say the fear for go for that kind of tournament. For show elapses, loopholes, and all that. Grandma, don't enter. Yes, I clap for myself again. Small cadeau, no? Merci. Now they talk of friends, people, school them. So, it go or you no go. We go see now. When that competition go start, tournament go start, we go see what Mark Brice no go there. If he no go, the message be clear. It be very clear. All man go understand. Man we never understand, go understand. Man no, man no, man no, yeah. Who no, yeah. Una know that mutumbu no. Na so the thing day. Now for yeah, we I hope end for the was small program for today. I will tell una say happy weekend for all man. And also una go enter weekend for grand style. Happy big time for weekend. And people they want travel. May they travel safely. For grandma, they talk say traveling mercies. I wish health mercies, traveling mercies, shopping mercies, money mercies for plenty of una the year way. As I always talk for here, if una see my back, una know say my belly is there for before. Na sote small time again.